Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel one more time. This project is very simple. I don't even show how I make it. I'll just show you the final product. I need to learn how to speak as well. So let's go on with the show. I'm going to go outside, film it. It's made with 6 horseshoes, a little bit of paint, and some marbles and a couple washers, and you're good to go. So hope you enjoy it. If you're interested in making this project, very simple. Using your little TIG welder, it takes an hour basically. All right, enjoy. All right, so here's the frog in question. Pretty easy to make, actually, if you look at it. The eyeballs are marbles. And what I did is I painted them red. They were blue with some silver, and what happened was this one side has got a blue eyeball, but the other side has a little more silver, so it's not perfectly matching, but it works out. And again, using 6 horseshoes. These were used. I cleaned them up the best I could and wire brushed them. I'll show you the back real quick. That's how it's made there. Using fluorescent paint, first you have to paint the whole thing white to make that fluorescent really stand out. It's not perfect again. It's an outside sculpture, so I'm not too worried about that. I am going to spray it one more time with acrylic spray, clear spray, because the fluorescent paint is flat, and I'm not sure if you can get it in gloss, but going to Walmart, that's all I could find, and so I think it came out pretty good. Again, there's no sense showing you how it's made because you can see for yourself here how it's made. So if you're ready to make one, just get yourself 6 horseshoes, a couple washers, and you're good to go. All right. By the way, don't forget to subscribe. I make a lot of projects. They're all over my backyard. This is another one. And up here is another one that I made right before the frog. That's painted green. There's a video on that if you want to watch it, see how it's made. And there's also a video on this one. So again, please subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell. It'll alert you when I have a new project. Not sure what I'm going to do next, but I'll think of something. All right, thanks for watching.